Hey everyone, welcome to this series about Microsoft Defender for Identity. This series of tutorials will equip you with the tools and knowledge to identify, track, and mitigate the cyber threats from your network. If you have ever felt that your network is a haunted house full of lurking threats that you can't see, then fear not, because Microsoft Defender for Identity is here. I'm as excited as you about discussing this robust service of Microsoft for detecting, mitigating the cyber threats from your network. My name is Navneet Kumar. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and the founder of TrainCrest Technologies. The learning objectives of this series will be: I will talk about the overview of Microsoft Defender for Identity first of all, where I will discuss what is Microsoft Defender for Identity, then understanding Microsoft Defender for Identity licensing, privacy, and the technical requirements. Module 2 is planning your Microsoft Defender for Identity deployment, where I will take you through the architecture of Microsoft Defender for Identity, the components involved in that, and then the Microsoft Defender for Identity prerequisites. Module 3 is about deploying Microsoft Defender for Identity, where I will talk about Microsoft Defender for Identity installation, creating your Azure ATP instance, the Azure Threat Protection, which was the name of this instance or this service, connect to Active Directory, configure the Microsoft Defender for Identity sensors, the agents which collects and sends the data to the Defender for Identity service, excluding entities from detections, working with sensitive accounts. Module 4 is about Identity Security Posture Assessment, where I will talk about the Identity Security Posture Assessment, bolster your security posture with Identity Security Posture Assessments, Identity Security Posture Assessment documentation. Module 5 will be about Microsoft Defender for Identity detections, reconnaissance alerts, compromised credential alerts, lateral movement alerts, domain dominance alerts, exfiltration alerts. Module 6 will be about investigating the lateral movement path. I will talk about what is lateral movement path, then we'll take you through the tutorial on using the lateral movement path. Next module will be about indicators of compromise, also referred as IOC. Incident investigation with Microsoft Defender for Identity, investigate a user, a computer, or an entity will be discussed in this module. Module 8 will be about advanced hunting with Microsoft 365 Defender. Here I will talk about the Microsoft Defender for Identity, advanced KQL threat hunting queries, and then enhancing Microsoft Defender for Identity data using the Microsoft 365 Defender. Once again, I welcome you to this series of tutorials about Microsoft Defender for Identity. Let us embark on a journey to secure our digital worlds together. Thank you.